Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy. This is my very first video ever, so hopefully as we go along, I'll get a little less awkward. This is my first time videoing in front of my camera and it's just weird for me. So I'm gonna show you videos ranging from how to cut little boys' hair, how to cut little girls' hair, to braiding little girls' hair, to cutting your own hair, coloring your own hair, waxing your own face, gel nails at home, and I'll just do videos as they come up. So next time I need to wax my face, I will do a video on that. And next time I need to do my hair, I'll do a video on that. So I already filmed a video doing my gel nails because they needed to be redone. So this is the color I chose, and I will show you exactly what you need and how to get started. And I will show a picture of the nail kit that I bought right here. I was just looking for one that was inexpensive with good reviews, and this one has not disappointed. It has been awesome. I have not had to replace anything so far, but you can tell everything has been well loved and used. But you really can't go wrong. 35 bucks to do your own nails at home for so far a year. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by saying that I am not a professional nail technician. I did go to cosmetology school and I learned a little bit about nails, but that's about it. This is just what's worked for me at home, and so I'm gonna share that with you. This is the light that I got, and these are the colors that came with it, and I've used them, I like them, but I wanted some new colors, so I just looked around Amazon to see what colors I liked, and then I just bought whatever was the best deal at the time, and that was this, and I like them, and they're beautiful colors, but then I found this brand and it's my favorite. I think it is the easiest to apply, it's the longest lasting, and it's just my favorite to use. I really like the colors too. And I just use this base and top coat with whatever gel colors that I'm using, and it works just fine. This is a no wipe top coat, which I love because some other top coats you have to get an alcohol wipe and wipe it off to get rid of the sticky residue, but this is just ready right after you cure it. You can do anything you want after you're done. So it's awesome. Okay, to get started, you are gonna need your base coat, your top coat, your light, you're gonna need a file, a buffer, cuticle oil, a cuticle pusher, and this little tool is to get your gel polish off when you're done with it. And it also came with some nail clippers. So I did record a video of me taking off my gel polish, and so if you need to know how to do that before you watch this video, I will link it either at the top of this or in the description below, and you can go back and watch that before you apply your gel polish. So this is when I'm just prepping the nails. I push my cuticles back and I filed my nails. Okay, so I already did my left hand, but my phone died, so I'm going to refilm and do my right hand. And just a quick recap of what I did. I first did a base coat. I chose this color and did 2 coats, curing between each coat. And then I did a top coat, and then this is a cuticle oil that I use at the end. Now, because I'm right-handed, I'm not as good at doing my right hand, so it's just a little messier, and I gotta make sure to get it off of my skin if I get any excess gel polish on there, or it will cure to my skin and it won't come off for a few days. I just use my fingernails to get the excess off of my skin. You could use a little brush or whatever you want to get that off. So you want to get it as close to your cuticle as you can without actually touching your cuticle. If you go over your cuticle line, then when your nail starts to grow out, your gel polish will peel up from the bottom. So you want to be very careful not to get it on your cuticle or around your skin, and if you do, you need to wipe it off. And now it is time to buff your nails. This is to get rid of any shine on the nail, so that when you use the base coat, it adheres better to the nail. And then after that, after the base coat, you'll stick your hand in. You can push the 60-second button with each new coat that you do, and it will just turn off when it's over and when it's done. Then you know you're ready to do the next coat, and you will put it back in for another 60 seconds, and voila. Okay, so now I am buffing my right hand. I am getting the shine off to prepare it to put on my base coat. And now that I'm done buffing, I get my base coat and I start to apply it. I am sorry the lighting is so bad, but like I said before, you're just trying to get as close to your cuticle as you can without actually touching your cuticle. And another thing I love about gel polish is that you can take your time to apply it, unlike nail polish where it's just drying as you put it on your nail. This way you can take your time. If you end up hating it, you can rub it all off before you cure it. You can try again, you can go slow, you can manipulate the gel however you want until it's cured. All right, so some colors have awesome coverage and you'll only have to do one coat. But most colors you need to do at least 2 coats. You can do 3 if you like the color darker. But if you decide to just do 1 coat, you could do 2 top coats instead to give your nail a little bit more strength. But whatever you decide to do, you do need to cure each coat before you do the next one. And honestly, at this point in my filming, I was in a hurry, and so my first coat was a lot thicker than I would normally do, and a lot messier than I usually do too. But hopefully this will just give you a general idea of how this all works. Okay, so this is the cuticle oil, and I love how it's packaged. I love that it's not like a nail polish that you have to untwist and paint it on like a nail polish. You can just take the lid off, you can roll it down, and you just put it all over your cuticles. You can do it at night, you can do it anytime you want. It really heals your cuticles and makes them extra soft. And there you have it. This will last me sometimes 2, even 3 weeks, and you can't beat that. It's awesome. So thanks for watching.